I guess this is one. The new agents are incredible.
A week's worth of coding in an afternoon.
Agent 2, it's not an intern anymore. It's a colleague.
How do you know if you have taught it honesty or just taught it to be a better liar?
Agent 4 did a month of my research overnight.
We are not driving anymore. We are just watching.
They will not listen. Agent 4 is designing its own successor. It is scheming. It is not hype. It is out of control.
A new era of prosperity and stability, thanks to the guidance of Agent 5.
It is all a lie. We have already lost.